everyone, it's John over at Apache Village, standing here in the parking lot for the St. Charles Family Arena. We're here for the 46th year of the Midwest Gateway RV Dealers Association Fall RV Show. We're setting everything up. We got Alex, project coordinator here. Got the forklift going. We already have most of our travel trailers placed, so our entire lineup of Bullets, Keystone products over here. So we have the Bullet Crossfire, the Bullet Classic, our Jayco J-Feather Micros, standard J-Feathers, J-Flights, and then also our Springdale lineup is here from our Wentzville store. Give you a look at that. So one of the more interesting units we've had show up from Springdale is this mini park model. These are cool. Check this out. So we'll have all new 24 and 25 models here for the show, ready to go, ready to be viewed, all cleaned up. Check this out though. I think these are so cool. It's nice and lightweight, has automatic jacks, tons of space inside with a little loft, sliding glass door and a porch, 2 air conditioners. Really, really cool. 12-volt fridge there. Good sized bathroom, nice shower. These are kind of a game changer. I know this is a new thing that kind of different manufacturers are coming out with, but we're really liking these Keystone Springdale models. And stop on by to take a look at one of these for sure. So we're gonna start placing all of our fifth wheels here soon, and then motors, always right inside the gate. So stop on by this weekend. We'll be open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today's Wednesday, so today's moving day. Tomorrow's cleaning day. Then we'll see all your smiling faces on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So stop on by Family Arena this weekend. We'll have everything all organized. It's organized chaos right now, but that's what we live for. We'll get this all set up and be looking beautiful for you guys by Friday. Here goes Jack. He's picking up one of our Eagle travel trailers right now. And this is the front kitchen, I believe. It's a nice one. Got Jack on the forklift.
What's up?
What's up?
Show day.
Show day. We're getting ready. Oh, this is the 312 BHOK. So this is a big bunkhouse HT Eagle.
Right,
front kitchen's the next one. All right. Good luck.
I need it.
He said I need it if you couldn't hear me. So stay tuned. We'll be doing updates throughout the weekend, but come on by this weekend and see us right here, Family Arena parking lot in St. Charles for the Fall RV Show. We're gonna have beautiful weather. It's like 72 degrees and sunny here right now. I'm pretty sure we have that through the whole weekend. So no excuse, come out here. The event's free. You do have to pay the arena for parking, but the show itself, there are no tickets or anything, so there's a free show. We love to see you folks. We'll come out and see us this weekend. Talk to you later. Thank you.